you know. Then they call me say I be troublemaker, I be fighter. Every time they call me and I go carry them go station. Police come they use them, they make money. So one policeman come tell me say come this girl. Every day they go come station. You know they avoid for trouble. I say, Oga policeman, abeg, stay your own. You not go understand. So take my mouth, carry me too. I go insult them, then put me for that.
This girl a funny bono.
As they put me for the station, but at the end of the day, all of us come become friends. Yeah. Because I can't they like just everybody, they give them basketballs. They gist them. So we come become friends. Now the people come me, give me a number. So anybody when not they allow me pass, say make I call a number. But today my fans, guess what? People when call me they chokoy. They write me from my Facebook and WhatsApp, they call me Auntie Sugar. Oh God. Are you celebrating? It motivates me when give me courage. Na Miss Koi una go nam, yes. When I come they watch a movie, I was like, Jesus, see my sister. Hey, so not really me they like this. Because for Palestine, it's difficult to see person when they like this. You see, they don't even mark me. If I talk, if I did London, they go no say, nah that chocolate they talk. Now so I'm mad big passport. But today, everybody now call me madam. Everybody now call me auntie. Since morning, if I check on my phone, they rest. They people when laugh me finish. All of them, Why even say the one where even they call me chocolate na woman? I know say you go watch my video, but you know why I think say may you pay 10,000 just to see me because you know they easy. They see Daddy, thank you so much.
God bless
May
you.
God bless you and your family.
Amen.
My people, I am short of words. You can see I'm smiling like a Christmas goat. She just joined us a few days back. She came through our sister Mary Nkiru, Miss Koi. And I've been writing, I've been demanding for her because I do watch her on my Instagram and some people's page over there. But then when I sent for her, the reply they are giving me is not encouraging, it's not favorable. And I don't like pursuing people, make it not be like say there is something so special. I alone is special, I can do it alone. But when I say I want to help this person and somebody is making it to look as if trying to help this person is you know everybody now money is not everything. Fine, if you bring this person you make money, but at the same time you cannot become what you want to become if somebody did not help you.
Yes.
If maybe the people I met when I was coming up, the people that are supposed to help me become Chief Imo today, if they had helped me then, I think where I am today I don't pass some sins. But because of destiny, because of time, how God wants it to be, you don't want anybody to share the glory. If maybe now somebody maybe helped me do all these things and I come out, come the answer Chief Imo, do you think I'll be sleeping? That person will always say, by now he must have told the whole world that he is the one that placed me where I am. But nobody can come up proudly to say, I made him, if not God. Yes. And my talents that God gave to me. So today I am, you can say she's full of life. Since she came here, everybody is liking her. Some of us, some of our brother has even, don't worry, that one is a story for another day. We have a lot for you. Just stay tuned. Don't go away. We still have experiences of how all of us were growing up, or how all of us grew up, or the experiences or what we passed through while growing up. Me as an adult, or as big as I am, I have a lot of experiences. Talk more. This our brothers Ndempe. This one will shock you. Let's hear from Wayomicha.
Hi viewers, this is Chena, as also says Aya, aka Babina today. My experience, easy to be honest.
You didn't tell us where you're from.
I'm from Anambra State, Onitsha. So my experience is not. It was very difficult growing up. First of all, when I lost my mom was kind of a backbone for me. So when my siblings when they are making jest of me, just my mom. So when I lost her, it became very hard for me. Especially my brothers. Whenever we want to go for Christmas outings like this, hey Jesus, you know, I'll be like, Grandma, I don't want to follow these people. Say, what is, follow them and there's nothing there. But me personally, I know what it's going to be. So I'll be like, let's go now. My brothers and my sister, they will be in the front, as in, they will be in the front, I'll be at the back. They will tell my younger one, is this not your sister? Go and bring her and hold your sister. Why people there? Go and bring your, as in, I was the smallest. Then when I traveled to Lagos, to school in Lagos, that was the last straw that broke the camel's back. They were like, immediately I entered SS1. Omo kukuru, omo kekere, kilele. And it was not because my Igbo friends, they followed them to make fun of me. I said, omo kekere, are you supposed to be in this class, or did you escort your sister? Like, I'm in this class now. But when it comes to, as in, write an exam, that was where they knew that I not be their mate. Yes, I not be their mate. I might be small, but what God gave me, it passed their own. So, going back from school, back home, come and see again people. I'm telling you honestly. They will be ringing it and be, omo kukuru, omo kekere, omo kukuru. As they are going, other school, they will join and be celebrating. They will be dancing around, calling me omo kukuru, omo kekere. To even look at someone eyeball to eyeball, I can't do it. I can't do it. I became very withdrawn. I became very, even till now. Even now, sometimes I don't know how to express myself. People will be expressing, but me, I don't know how to express it. Then when I got admission to university, my auntie and my uncle, they are the ones that made me, as in, to start expressing myself, to see myself as in who I am. They will be like, Chinazo, they will download short people and tell me, look at these people, you're even taller than them, you're more beautiful than them. Go out, associate, do this one, do that one. I'll be like, if I go out now, my friends are little, as in, people that I senior. If I see big people, honestly, it's not a laughing matter. If I see big because they, guys, they go out with their fellow guys, even when you're small. But girls, they know they smile. They will. If you're small, they will see as a small child. They will not allow. They will not like to mingle with you. Yes. So it's worse for us girls. Yes. So when my auntie, they started.
This is another skit we are going to make. Yeah. Big. Where you the follow us? Will be your mate. No, that kind of thing. But then later the reverse will be the case. I think remind me will do the. Go on.
So my auntie was like, go out. She will download videos. My auntie, she will download video and tell me, look at this girl. Then she downloaded one video that touched me. There was a time we were going through my Instagram, we saw that video, Pastor Nick in Igbo. That was one video that motivated me very well. I was like, this man, no leg, no hand, and he's still short, and he's a pastor, and he's outspoken. Who am I? My auntie was like, should we go and do breast for you? I said, auntie, one thing I don't like in my life is being fake. I don't have breast, If you don't like me the way I am, go. I cannot fake my life. That's one thing I can never do. And my auntie, she works in a place that they can do it. So I'll be like, no, that's nonsense, I can't do it. So when I got admission, people come and see Fenkili. They started coming to see me and everything. And someone said
Nollywood for
yes,
DSTV.
Somebody said Nollywood. Somebody said school is a scam. Let me tell you today, school is not a scam. School made me to start. I started expressing myself. If you're like this and you're talking to me, I look at you eyeball to eyeball. School is not a scam, friends. It's not at all. School, my uncle always say, Obugona a chole ga Jackie exchange your views. Jackie exchange a suto Igbo, Ogenya yaka, as in go and exchange views with other people as in yes, express yourself. And school did that to me. For me to go out there and talk to people is school. It's everything is not about getting work and this and that. People say because school is a scam because after school you will not get a work. No, it's not. Okay, after the school aspect of it, when it was time for IT, my friends, I was telling my friend here, IT period, when in a room like this, gisting, they said, can China also get a work? As what if and I said, she cannot even get it. I was like, how? I cannot get the work. Well, let's try now. Sometimes even my siblings, they were like, go and learn computer, go to computer school, go and learn computer. I said, no, you see this work, I will learn this work. And I went to altar, I prayed because my friends, they were making us, they were like, all of us will get work, but she will not get work. Then to their surprise, before God and man, all of us, we submitted IT letter to Nigerian Brewery live on nature. Guess who? Guess what? Oh. I was the only one they called. Not my friends.
Chineke ndi mpe.
Chineke di mma.
Chineke.
Chineke di mma.
Ndi mpe.
Chineke di mma.
Chineke.
Chineke di mma.
Ndi mpe kwenu. Ndi mpe kwenu. Just still listening. Go on.
So IT, I wrote the exam. I passed the exam. I went for the interview. Oh, you book I Sobani and Sophia. So they chose me. Even when we finished, they were like, after school, come and continue. And I did that. But due to my passion for Nollywood, I stopped it. And I said, so when people are looking down on you, they are not your God.
Yes.
And one thing, don't fake your life. Don't ever be a duplicate. Thank you.
I am so inspired this night. I don't even know how to say it. You can see I am full of life because what I've heard this night. Sorry, I've not really gone deep with these people since I started working with them. We just come, we walk. The only thing, even some of them, I have not been to their. I'm not only my bed here. Nobody here. We only come here, we act, come to my village, we shoot locations and all the rest of them. But today, I am happy to be interacting with them. I'm happy because I am also learning. I am being motivated by. In fact, can you imagine? Us again at school is not a scam.
Never.
If you say you go school, you don't get work, then what is the need? But she where they abuse, she where they look down on. Who is that person? Please go away with your phone. You know, today she. Let me just reserve my comments. Kaiga kuru diopa. Okay, sina obere sina akpa week. All the way from Ana Oba. He's from Oba. He came from Oba. And this is the first time he's working with us. Let us hear from him. He is not small, he's the shortest, so small but mighty. Small but mighty. You have heard from him. So tell us your experience. Why growing up? How about you collect the mic?
Hello viewers, good evening. Day one, Uru Chairman. I'm ezigbo onye Igbo, nwa afọ Igbo. So I am Chukwujimbo Agubuzo, first line. Nwere onye ọzọ, ayala maka. So achọm iji Igbo ka okwu nwee kọwa ọfụma.
Ngwa nna. Dabanya.
So I been buy I do 6. So one first born. I been our family. So moi bonye pelumpe. So matina ono ka abulu mo wole maka wata ngwa. So mana ka bi do bena go to school. Ka go big wahala. No. Bena go nursery school ne ka akwa akwụkwọ go no bi ebe. Boy, yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
Mana kita ngote the picture, I go the picture. You